This video is just a short clip on how to assemble the ES99 lawnmower. It consists of the catcher, the battery and battery cover, and the complete handle assembly. First thing we'll do is just take the handle assembly off the mower itself and rest it up on the edge of the catcher. Remove the four knobs and bolts, like so. Now the handle supports have got a channel section pressed into the metal support, and that's where the handle itself will go, like so. We just pop the bolt through one of the holes, like so, and apply the knob. Same on the other side. Like so. And then just follow up with the last lower bolts and knobs just to secure the assembly. The top handle assembly is controlled by these cam levers. In the up position, the handle is locked into place, like so. To release them, it's only a matter of just pulling out the handle into the lower position, like so. Then the handle can be dropped. So we'll lock that up into position, making sure that our cables and so on are set on the handle. Just double check, make sure that the knobs are firmly tight. The next thing we'll do is pop the battery in. Now the battery consists of three components. We have a battery cover, and a strap. Strap's a little awkward to get in at times. What we'll do is, the first thing to do is to pop the strap in like so. It hooks under the little groove. Pop the battery on, and attach the hook as so. Now pop the connector up through the hole in the battery box, like so. Hold it out and place the cover onto the clips, like so. To connect the battery, it's only a matter of connecting the two halves of the plug and socket together, like so. The battery is now connected to the motor. The motor is then also already connected to the key switch, so the mower is now ready to turn over with the key. The next thing we'll just quickly cover is the catcher. It's only a matter of lifting up the flap. The catcher sits on these two hooks, like so, and that fits in on the side of the catcher. So it's only a matter of placing in between the hooks, like so. then release the rear cover. For starting, there's a couple of very important points. First of all, oil. Always make sure that there is sufficient oil on the dipstick before you even attempt to start. It should be up between the two horizontal marks, high point and low point. If it's low, it must be filled. Fuel. The unit takes straight 91 octane level unleaded petrol. When you're filling, always fill it up. Don't fill it into the neck of the tank. Just stop it before it starts to enter the neck. We don't recommend the use of ethanol fuel. It's best just to use straight unleaded 91 octane fuel. When you're going to start the unit, check the level of the mower. Make sure that it's not sitting hard on the ground. It's always better to move it to an area where there's no debris at all, and put it on a fairly high setting. There's two methods of starting the mower. First of all is the key, which is a 3-positioned key switch, or you can start it manually with the recoiler. For the very first time you're going to start the mower, you've filled it, first time use, you need to pump the front bulb down here at least 3 times. Don't go more than 3. If you go more than 3, the possibility is you will flood the unit. So 3 pumps on the bulb, and then you can determine whether you're going to do it with the manual start or the electric start. So we're going to do the electric start to start with, so we're going to pump it 3 times, and it's only a matter of then of turning the key from the off position to the on, go through the on to the start position. Turn off, just turn the key to the off position, like so. Now once you've already had the mower going, but even just for a short period of time, it's always good to, and with the unit not warm, to turn the, if you're going to do it manually, turn the switch to the on position, and then pump it. We've already had it going, so we're going to pump it twice, and then grasp hold of the recoiler and pull it firmly. Now just to make sure it's very clear, if you're going to do it with a manual recoiler, you turn the key switch to the on position and then you pull the cord. Okay? Another point with the recoiler should by rights go into this top little hook up the top here. The reason being is when you go to pull it, so you can pull it through like so, when you're going to pull it, you don't want the coil, the handle to come back and hit you should you let it go. So you don't want to go flying all the way back, so it's up close to the hand, ready to be pulled here. Height adjustment. The height adjustment is this large handle on the side, and it's only a matter of pulling out towards the wheel and either lowering it or raising it. Make sure it drops into the notch each time. Charging. For charging the battery, it's only a matter of removing the plug from the motor, like so, and then plugging in the charger, the small plug pack charger here, which goes straight into the same point onto the battery, like so. And then plug this into the mains and the battery will charge. It's important to note that you do not plug it into the opposite side, like so. That's wrong and it will not charge the battery. Here is the battery cable here. Okay, so it's straight into this point there, into the battery.